Alrighty, Craig and Emma, thank you very much. Your full weather forecast brought to you by Crosby Sports Shop. With a large supply of ammo in stock, custom Damascus knives, fishing supplies of all kinds, concealed weapons classes, and a full line of Dragonfly UV tackle, plus the latest in ultraviolet tackle. Call today. All right, let's get things rolling out there. We do have a small craft advisory that is posted until about the noon time frame later today. We'll be watching for some active surf for just a little while yet, and still active in a few areas ranging from around 5 to 7 feet, even up to 4 feet, according to the buoy. So that is why we're still dealing with a small craft advisory out there this morning. That'll drop by around midday. We may calm down in the wind department for a while, but we'll have to see if more alerts get issued, especially for the daytime tomorrow, as another system begins to move in. For now, though, we're just seeing a little bit of clouds moving through, maybe a few returns of some precipitation in a few spots, but most of it today will be in the southern parts of the state for any precipitation. For us, though, we will stay dry with a mostly cloudy sky. But we have that front that's going to be parked right about in here, actually. We'll want to keep an eye on that, though, as that will give us the opportunity for clouds, but any rainfall will stay to our south. But we will have our return for a little bit of active weather on the way later this week. So Futurecast moving forward, showing a mostly cloudy sky today, rain to the south. We may clear out for a while overnight tonight, but clouds moving as we head towards your Wednesday, as more active weather will be on the way, and it'll look a little bit like this. By Wednesday night, we'll be watching for a wind shear mix that will be moving in, some ice accumulations and a little bit of snow accumulations. Cannot be ruled out in a few spots. By the time we head towards Thursday morning, a break will be noticed, so temperatures warming up, so any ice that accumulates will be melting, as we'll be watching for normal rain that will be moving through as we head towards Thursday night. Then by early Friday morning, this all gets out of here and things will begin to cool down and calm down for that matter as well. Otherwise, though, here's the snow accumulations that we have our eye on, at least at this point, though, maybe an inch or two before we're all finished up. Some ice accumulations further off towards the north as well that we'll need to keep an eye on, especially further off towards the north. We'll be watching for some ice accumulations that can range up to maybe 3/10 of an inch further off towards the north. Maybe not as bad further down toward the south, but this will be just enough to cause some problems in a few spots. So we'll need to keep an eye on this as it does develop over time. And just to talk about things, so if you know anyone across the Midwest today, give them a call. Make sure they're paying attention to the forecast. Some strong and severe thunderstorms possible in many areas, though, and at least in the red shaded areas, and maybe even in the orange shade as well. Some potential for tornadoes as well. So they will need to keep an eye on things. So if you know anyone there, make sure to give them a call and make sure they're aware of this. But otherwise, for today, mid-50s, mostly cloudy. That west wind getting up to about 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tonight, mid-20s, partly cloudy. North wind getting up to about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow, 39 degrees, rain, freezing rain, sleet, and snow arriving for the afternoon. The northeast wind getting up to about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Alrighty, here's a look at your extended forecast brought to you by Crosby Sports Shop. And wind shear mix switching over to rain for your Thursday. Highs back in the mid-50s, mid-40s for Good Friday with a mostly cloudy sky. Mostly sunny on Saturday. Highs in the low 40s.